married the wrong tax liar. Welcome to Automatic Tax Returns. The content on this channel, Automatic Tax Returns, is for educational purposes only and does not constitute tax, legal, or financial advice. Please consult a licensed tax professional before making any decisions related to your personal situation. If you are new here, make sure to hit that follow button. A woman, let's call her Linda, was happily married for over 15 years. Her husband handled all the finances, including filing their joint tax returns. She trusted him completely. But one day, years after they divorced, Linda received a notice from the IRS. You owe $87,000 in unpaid taxes, penalties, and interest. She was stunned. She hadn't earned that kind of money. Her ex did. While they were married, her husband underreported income and overstated deductions on their joint returns. He hid freelance income and took questionable business write-offs. The IRS finally audited those returns years later after the divorce. Because they filed jointly, Linda was 100% legally liable for the debt, even though she had no idea what her ex was doing. The IRS began garnishing her wages, seizing her bank funds, and threatening liens. She pleaded with the IRS, explaining she had no idea, but they said, "You signed the return. You are responsible." She felt betrayed not just by her ex, but by the tax system itself. Are you married and do you file jointly? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for tips and real IRS horror stories. Eventually, the IRS granted her partial innocent spouse relief. She was relieved of tax debt for some of the years, but not all. The IRS determined that she should have known about some items like inflated deductions. She still owed thousands in taxes and interest from the years not forgiven, but the wage garnishment stopped and she was put on a manageable installment plan for the remaining balance. To emphasize, if you are married and you filed jointly, reviewed every tax return before signing, ask questions if anything felt off. If already divorced, filed Form 8857 sooner, and requested injured spouse protection when refunds were being offset during the marriage. This concludes this topic. If you need a federal tax return, try the application in the description. It calculates, downloads all applicable federal tax forms, fills in the numbers and relevant information to respective tax forms, and merges all the form to a complete print-ready federal tax return that is needed to be filed. Simply input numbers information that apply to you and select one of three options, which are Form 1040 for W-2 taxpayers, Schedule C for business owners and sole proprietors, or a Form 1120 for corporations. That is it. It takes less than a minute or two to generate all completed merged federal tax forms into a completed portable document format federal tax return will open to be printed. Print, sign, and mail or upload online. This concludes this segment. Please like and follow.